Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, let's take a look at that 24-hour temperature cast, the real easy part of this forecast. We're starting in the 60s. We're likely going to get to the low and mid 80s before the next chance for showers helps to knock some of those numbers down. A lot of us will start close to 70 tomorrow morning with lots of clouds and maybe a few more showers. Now, we've got flood watches that includes much of our area. There are severe thunderstorm watches just west of our area, and some of those could get extended into our area throughout the day today. I'd be surprised if some don't. So the threat for bigger storms is in the forecast again, especially later this afternoon and tonight. Now, I don't see much on the radar picture over the past couple of hours, not around here. We've got some clouds, but the story for us is going to be this afternoon, this evening, when that next energy finds all this warm, humid, unstable air. And as that moves from west to east, and it's already going to have the history of some bigger storms mixed in there, so the potential for some more bigger storms is certainly going to be a something. It's 68 right now in Tallahassee, 67 in Valdosta. We're at 64 in Thomasville, so it's not super warm out there compared to normal May standards, but it is a little bit muggy with those dew point numbers in the 60s. Now, I suspect we're going to find these temperatures move slowly up this morning into the afternoon before the showers get here. A lot of us between 63 and 68. Apalachicola is the warmest spot at 75 this morning. There is a little bit of a breeze. It's more from the east or southeast, enough where you notice it enough to stir things up, so we haven't seen too much fog. And I don't expect fog to be an issue, not today, not tomorrow. We'll see if a little bit later on this week, when we get past our next chances for showers and storms, if fog becomes a little bit more of an issue with some of that moisture that's just going to linger. Now, we can see that energy moving through parts of Mississippi into parts of Alabama. It's still way to the north, well to the west, and it's several hours away from our area, but it is likely that it gets to our area like after 2 or 3 o'clock from western spots, and maybe takes until 5 or 6 o'clock to get to eastern areas. So the middle of the afternoon, the evening, a pretty good shot for some showers and storms. Also, early tomorrow morning, another batch of energy and another wave of showers, and more at times throughout the day tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be nonstop all the time rains here. I think it's going to be several different waves of showers with some thunderstorms mixed in. Maybe the biggest chance for the biggest storms later this afternoon, this evening. So please keep checking in with us. We'll have updates throughout the day for you as we get into the day. Wednesday, I think we at least clear out a little bit, and that will likely give us some more sunshine for Thursday before we start talking more unsettled at the end of the week. So this is going to be one of those forecasts where I think a lot of unsettled is in the mix. We start on our Monday with a really good chance for some showers and storms, about an 80% chance of where you are to get wet. Some of those storms could be dangerous. There is that slight risk for some of those dangerous storms across much of our area today, so it is absolutely a possibility. Low 70s for us tonight. Rain chances are going to stay around 80%. I think we're going to get a couple of different waves. One that lasts into the nighttime hours, another one that starts early tomorrow morning, and then still some on again, off again throughout the day tomorrow. As we get to Wednesday and Thursday, it does look a little brighter, maybe a little drier, but I think the unsettled is going to be the big part of the forecast heading into the upcoming weekend. So not a lot is changing. First things first, more chances to get wet, especially this afternoon, this evening, and tonight.